my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share how to make gift bag looks like men's short with tie. I cut my ribbon twice as long as bag. I roll the top of my bag with ribbon. One side of ribbon I marked with red pen. So in the video you see the difference easy. To make shoulders for my bag, I make cuts on each side. I fold in both sides of my cut. Shoulders ready. To make a collar, I fold the right side and left side of the fold with ribbon towards each other. In this position, we see the ribbon, which will be the back of our tie. When you start fold the tie, keep in mind left side will be easy adjustable. So make on the right side the knot as close as possible to collar. With right side, make a loop around the left side of ribbon. Our tie knot is ready. We place in the top of ribbon and pull it. Adjust tie so it looks good. I cut excess of ribbon and my tie is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.